Hey everybody, we are out here tonight in East Sacramento. We've got Legacy 850, which is basically the equivalent of a Genie half horsepower opener up here. Our homeowner is wanting to switch it out. We have the new LiftMaster 2420L, which is the new latest model for their 81602. So we're going to take this guy out, put this one in, and see how the functionality works. So stay tuned and watch the build. Let me know what you think. All right guys, so the unboxing of the 2420L. Sorry, we have a bit of an echo in here. This is your standard 7-foot chain rail from LiftMaster. It's the same. Owner's manual, J-arm, hardware box. It's going to be for our chain. Up top, new wall button. A little camera on it. Got our battery. There's a little motor head unit. Nice. Very compact. You can see they've moved the logic board over here on the side, as well as the battery cavities over here on the side instead of in the front now. Very nice. All right, there's our header bracket, motor mounting bracket, remote. And just so we don't scratch anything, we'll put him back right there. All right, same thing as usual. Prep everything. We are in a pretty recently built home, so we've got free wire down here for our sensors as well as over there, so we don't need this. I like to organize all my bolts and nuts by sort. We're going kind of quick. There is another video of assembling a Chamberlain garage door opener. It also has the same concept if you guys want to check that one out. Set. So now, since we're over here, let's run around. We'll put our sensors in, and we'll do our wall button. Finish our install. All right guys, I'm gonna sneak back here. Throw this wall button on. You got a red and white. If you want to see how to install it, we've got a short video on installing the LiftMaster wall button. Go check it out. All right guys, so we're gonna let the door down, let some magic happen. We're gonna pull that one down, put this one up. We already got everything wired up. should be pretty cool. It's always nice to remember which ones came out of your sensors and which one came out of your wall button ports. So what I do is, if there's two wires, I'll go ahead and twist my sensors together. That way I know when I come back in to wire my other motor. Made it real easy on this one. Wire ports right here on the side. So all I'm doing is taking my wall button wires, put them into my wall button. Take my sensor wires and put them into my sensor ports. Cool breeze, feels nice. Here's a little quick tip that I've learned over the years. If you take this antenna, either white or yellow, purple, red, little wire hanging down, give them a little pigtail. Kind of makes them look pretty, but it gives a little more surface area. Sometimes you can get a little more range out of your remotes that way. Maybe a myth, but seems to have worked for me in the past. And there it is, guys. The new LiftMaster 2420L installed. We're going to throw the battery in. Looks like it goes in right over here. Whereas if you remember on the 8160, it went in over here on the front. All right, so let me know what you think on the late night motor install. Go check out some of our other videos. There's a Chamberlain assembly video that'll really help you guys with some of the ins and outs of how we put the motor together. Go check it out. Thanks, and I will see you later.